Good evening, friends. As we are looking at the end of Donald Trump's presidency, things are moving very fast, and the way the chaos took place at Capitol Hill, and after that, the way the American media, the American political establishment, even the Republican Party is either speaking against Donald Trump or not supporting him. Nobody is actually supporting him, neither in establishment nor in the Republican Party. So this shows that Mr. Donald Trump, I don't think that he will be a real player in the politics of United States even in the coming years. Forget about next presidential election. And today, when Twitter has suspended his account permanently, though he is saying that he'll make his own social media platform and all those things, that's all rhetoric, I think, because this shows that the establishment has made up mind to end Trumpism in United States. Even his own Republican Party want to have republicanism within the party rather than Trumpism. So that is the reason I think that Twitter has also permanently suspended his account, because all these companies, they're very clever. They won't go against the establishment of the country, and they know what is going to come in future. They can sense the things, and it looks that even Republican Party is discarding Trump. Now I'm waiting to see how Mr. Mike Pence is going to behave. Will he go for Amendment 25? Because if he goes for Amendment 25 and doesn't provide pardon, presidential pardon to Mr. Donald Trump, that means that not only Republican Party has discarded Mr. Trump, but it is now no more his own party. And if Mr. Mike Pence provides him some kind of presidential pardon, then you can think that the party doesn't want to punish him, but they want to remove him. And if suppose the Democrats go for removing him from the office by the means of Congress and the Senate, where in both the places they are having majority, then things will be politically not, we can't predict it right now how it is going to take place, but I don't think they will go that far. But it looks to me that both the administration, the deep state, as well as his own party has discarded Mr. Donald Trump, and I think we are looking at the closer of Trumpism and Donald Trump era. Thank you.